Hi, I'm sorry, time is against us, so I'm going to make you speed run this. I've seen this, it's amazing, but tell all of our guys.
So last year we launched the Hot Wheels Drone Racer, which is a drone and a car, so you can fly it, drive it, use it on your Hot Wheels track.
Who likes Hot Wheels? Anyone? Yep, good. Babs is there. Girls are like whatever, we don't know, but yeah, Amber, you're there.
So this year we've made a larger version. So this is the DRX Monster, and this is a 3-in-1. So you can drive this, you can fly it, but you can also use it on water. So it works as a boat.
Yeah, that got a unanimous. Wow. Yeah, go on, give us a little demo. And whilst you're doing that as well, just remind me the price. Well, I know these, but remind the price points.
$9.99. So you can see you've got suspension like a monster truck.
Yeah, I like that.
You go forward and back. You can steer it just like an RC car. And then a press of a button, and away you go.
That just got a universal. Whoa. I mean, everyone loves a drone, right?
Yeah, definitely.
And you can land it.
So you could land this on, like, I don't know, a river. Like Casual, who has a river.
Yeah, you can put it on a river or a lake, and then you can drive it like a normal RC car.
Amazing. I mean, I know you're really proud of this, and it's so cool. Is there a chance for one of them to have a quick whiz? Do you want to go, Tressa? Oh, they're all going to have a go, quick go.
Just this controller there, forward, and steer left and right. So just the right side.
So if you had loads of money, how old are you, Amber?
14.
14, okay. So are you into drones and that kind of thing? Or?
Yeah, they're pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty cool. Okay, amazing. Oh, I can't even see it now. Amazing. Guys, I wish we had, maybe if you pop over to the stand, you could have a little whiz around.
Gallery 1, 2, 3.
There you go, gallery 1, 2, 3. We need to vote. Amber, you're included in the vote as well. Do we think this is a thumbs up, thumbs down, or maybe? 1, 2, 3, vote. Thumbs up. A massive thumbs up. Babs is particularly enjoying that. Thank you very much, Ian. Good to see you, and thank you for your wonderful product.